The new second-generation Range Rover Evoque was revealed last year amid high anticipation. Even though the popular luxury SUV looks similar to the first-generation vehicle tested by Euro NCAP in 2011, it is fully new under the skin. In safety terms, particularly the process made in the area of vulnerable road user protection, with the adoption of an active bonnet and AEB for pedestrian and cyclist detection, are noteworthy and significant for this category of vehicle, matched by an equal solid performance in other areas. The Evoque earns 5 stars in the Euro NCAP latest safety tests.